jump out at me. What's down here? I think I hear somebody. I think I hear something.
Derek knew that urban explorers often encounter hostility from squatters, who use loud noises to warn off intruders. Ignoring these warnings can spark aggression, as squatters will fiercely protect their territory. Heeding the warning signs, Derek hastily retreated to his motorcycle, narrowly avoiding a potentially violent confrontation. This close call highlights the dangers and unpredictability of urban exploration.